Hola y buenos días. Gracias for joining me. Bienvenido a clase. La clase de hoy se trata de la comida. It's about food, about bebida. And what I would like you to get from esta clase is how to really hablar about what you eat and what you don't eat. And about other people in your loved ones, tu familia, tu amigos, what they eat and what they don't eat. So the first part, la primera parte de la clase, se trata de los tres verbos, beber, comer, tomar. Drink, eat, and have. And la segunda parte de la clase really focuses on grupos de comida that some people eat or don't eat. Bueno, comenzamos. ¿Qué comes? What do you eat? ¿Qué comes? ¿Y qué no comes? ¿Qué bebes? ¿Y qué no bebes? ¿Qué tomas? ¿Y qué no tomas? ¿Tomas azúcar? ¿Tomas leche? ¿Tomas hielo? Hielo is a great word. It means ice. ¿Tomas hielo en tus bebidas? So when we're talking to, we're using an S on the end of the word. Comes, you eat. Bebes, you drink. Tomas, you have. Yo no como carne. I don't eat meat, so we're putting the no in front of the como. No como carne. Y no bebo mucho café porque la cafeína me afecta. ¿Sí? ¿Entiendes? No bebo mucho café, no tomo mucho azúcar. Porque no me gusta. I don't like it. So we have yo como or no como, yo bebo or no bebo, yo tomo or no tomo. So these verbs, yo, they all end in O. Okay, and they don't all end in O. There are a couple of verbos en español. So voy is I go, voy al café, and soy vegetariana. Y doy means I give, doy comida a mi hija. Okay, but most of los verbos for yo end in O. Como, bebo y tomo are three ejemplos. Then when we're talking about las personas en nuestras familias, tu nieto, por ejemplo, is your grandson. So mi nieto no come vegetales. My grandson doesn't eat vegetables. Es un ejemplo. I'm sure it's not true. Mi hermano come mucha comida. Come carne, come pescado, come mariscos. No come quorn. Quorn es un sustituto de la carne y mi hermano no come quorn. Bebe café con azúcar, bebe café sin azúcar, con leche, sin leche, bebe té, bebe café caliente, bebe café frío. Bueno, y toma azúcar y no toma azúcar. He's so easygoing when it comes to food, mi hermano. Okay, so I hope that you're getting that when we're using él or ella, we're talking about mi hermano or tu nieto. The verbs tend to end in E or A. No come quorn, bebe café y toma azúcar. Ok, la segunda parte de la clase is about groups of comida y bebida that some people might not have. Por ejemplo, la carne. Yo no como carne porque soy vegetariana. And mi amiga come carne, pero, and that means but, pero no come carne if it has huesos, if it has bones in it. Es delicada, she's squeamish. Second group, mariscos y pescado. Now, I've got a really difficult word. For me, alergia is an allergy, and allergica is allergic. And I find that really difficult. I know they're really strong cognates. Tío Kevin is Uncle Kevin. Tío Kevin es alérgico a los mariscos. So he's allergic to seafood. You don't know how difícil that is para mí. I don't know why. It's really hard. Tiene alergia a los mariscos y al pescado. Okay. Third group, productos lácteos. Now, I don't know anyone who has una alergia a los productos lácteos. But let's think about what they include. Mantequilla. Great word is butter. Like mantequilla. It's like man, he'll kill you. Mantequilla, butter. There's nothing deadly about butter as far as I know. Mantequilla, yogur, leche, of course, is milk, and crema. So if you know somebody que tiene alergia a los productos lácteos, then that might be what you want to talk about. Fourth group, nueces. Nueces are nuts. And there was a very sad case of una chica who died as a result of eating semillas de sésamo. So those are sesame seeds. So we have to be really, really careful con las alergias a los nueces, to nuts, because it can incluir semillas, which are seeds. Fifth group, alcohol. There are people who avoid alcohol porque por razones religiosas o por el sabor, for the flavor, and also, of course, abstinencia porque recuperan del alcoholismo. So that's another one to be to have care with. Ten cuidado. Crujiente, the sixth group, cuando tenemos problemas con los dientes. Dientes? It's possible that we wouldn't want to eat comida crujiente, and that's crunchy food. Okay, when our dentures are falling out, no como comida crujiente. And the last one, I referred to it earlier, is verduras, greens, vegetales, vegetables, ensalada. Un grupo de comida that some children won't touch. So, mi hija no come verduras. Mi hija no come vegetales. Well, she does, but not voluntarily. Under duress, come verduras. Mi pregunta para ti, ¿qué comes? ¿Y qué no comes? ¿Y dónde comes? Where do you eat? If you have the Pasos book, there's a lovely puzzle about what people eat and what people don't eat. So there's a letter here, una carta, and a menu, and from this letter, from un amigo, you have to work out from this menu what he can eat, que puede comer, y que no puede comer. And then there's a nice little text about what Spanish people eat. And when we're using text like that, my favourite way of using them is to copy them out a distancia. Take a sentence in your head to the paper over there and then come back for the next sentence. Have a dictionary and you can improve your Español. I really hope you've enjoyed chapter 2 of Pasos. The next chapter is all about where we live in the world and getting directions and saying where things are. So it's a great unit. There'll be another set of lessons for that coming very soon. Muchas gracias for studying Español conmigo and possibly with Pasos as well. If you want a copy of Pasos, click the link in the description. It'll take you straight there. Nos vemos pronto. Subscribe, like the video. Adios.